Hey guys! Oh my god. Okay, so today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on this look that I'm wearing right now. I did a look based off Eddie from Ed and Eddy. If you don't know what Ed and Eddy is, it's a cartoon from the early 2000s. I want to make this like a series where I do makeup inspired by a character from a childhood show, and then I actually draw the character on my face. I think it looks pretty good or whatever. I tried my best. I tried my very best. If you want to see how to get this eye look and how I drew Eddie, then just keep watching. Okay, bye. Okay, so to start off, I put some tape on my eyes, even though that's really bad for you, but whatever. And then I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced chocolate bar palette, and I'm gonna go into this shade right here, the strawberry bonbon shade, and I'm gonna like go in on it because this is like a sheer shade, so I'm just like, there's a lot of fallout, but it's okay. Do you see that? It's crazy. And I'm just gonna put that, I just ate it. I'm gonna put that into my crease. I'm trying to do the you know, his skin color, which is like pink. If I find out how to do that, I'll put the picture right here. So his skin tone is pink, so that's what I'm gonna go for. Okay, next color I'm gonna go into is in this really dirty palette that I haven't cleaned.
I am disgusted.
This is like a BH Cosmetics 88 color matte eyeshadow palette. I don't know, it's one of those like really colorful palettes that you don't think are gonna actually work, but it actually does work. And I'm gonna go into this purple right here, and I'm gonna put that into my crease again, but a little bit more precisely, really close to the tape. And this purple is gonna be like his collar, like, you know, like his collar is purple.
Look at the picture, it's purple.
Okay, all right. Okay, and then after that, I look like a mess. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna cut my crease using this Alamar Cosmetics brush and this Too Faced foundation that I had to cut open because there's no more. Okay, so after that, I'm gonna take this yellow shade right here to mimic his shirt or whatever, or right here, you already know. And I'm just gonna put it wherever I cut my crease. Okay, so then I'm gonna grab more of the purple that we used, and I'm gonna start to blend that in with the yellow so it all like blends together seamlessly or whatever. I'm gonna go back and forth with the purple and the yellow. Okay, so now if you look at his shirt, he has like a red stripe. So I'm gonna do that red stripe as a wing liner, but I don't have red eyeliner, so I have to use red lipstick instead. This is a Milani red lipstick in Matte Iconic. So I'm just gonna use my eyeliner brush and some red lipstick, and I'm just gonna hope for the best. Okay, so after I'm done with the wing liner, I'm just gonna take the tape off. Okay, so I'm not gonna show you how I do my primer, foundation, concealer, powder, all of that, because this video is gonna be like a million years long, and I'm guessing you already know how to do all that, so I'm just gonna save some time. So I'm gonna do that off camera, and then I'll be right back to finish up my eyes. I'm gonna do the little snappy thing, so let's see if I even remember. Okay, ready? 1, 2. So to finish up the eyes, I'm gonna go into this blue shade, and I'm gonna put that on my lower lash line, and that's gonna act as if like it's his jeans or whatever. Okay, so now I'm actually gonna draw Eddie on my face, and for that I'm using my Pretty Vulgar eyeliner. So I'm gonna start off with the eye, and it's like a circle. Okay, that's the first eye. The second eye is significantly smaller than the first one. And then we're gonna do like like the pupils or whatever. This is the first one. Perfect. And then this one's like sideways. Perfect. So now he has like wrinkles on his eyes. So I'm just gonna add those. Okay, now we're gonna do the nose. So it's like this. So now we're gonna do the mouth. So it starts off over here. Move on to the top of his head. I'm so close to like just messing it all up, but I need to have patience. It looks like him. Come on, you can't tell me it doesn't look like him. Bear with me, guys. I did this yesterday and it came out so much better. But you know what? We're just gonna pull through it and we're gonna finish it because I believe in us. Okay, now I'm gonna mess up my eyeshadow because I have to do his hairs. Really, the hard part is done because we already did his face. We're on the shirt. So the shirt is like pretty easy. What we're gonna do is grab this brush that we use on our lower lash line and we're just gonna color him in. I'm gonna take the pink that we use in our crease. I'm not gonna worry about covering the eyeliner because I'm gonna go through it again. So I'm going to go in with the purple that we use in the palette and I'm going to go over the collar. Now I'm going to go in with the yellow in the palette again and I'm just going to go over the shirt. With the lipstick I'm going to do the red stripe. Okay, so now I'm just going to go over everything just to like make the lines black. So hopefully I don't mess this whole thing up. I'll seriously start crying if I mess this up. So I'm just gonna go over the lines. You know what? I tried my best. I tried my best and I'll take it because I tried my best. Okay, so I just looked back at some of the footage of this and I was like almost never in frame. Like I was like, but that's because like I was really trying to get it right. It's not that good, but you know what? The point is that I tried my best. So I'm just gonna finish up my face. I'm not gonna show you that because this video is already way too long. I'll be right back, okay? Okay, so I'm back and that completes this look. So I think I really like it. I mean, this eye look is beautiful. And then as for Eddie, I mean, I tried my best. I tried my very best. And it does look like him. Like, come on, don't even lie to yourself. I did a pretty decent job. But I am going to be doing other cartoons. Like, I really want to do that. So I'm going to improve, you know. But, I mean, I don't think this is bad. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. I really want to do other things with my channel. Like, I don't want to just do makeup. Like, I want to do, like, other things. But I really want to make this cartoon makeup a series, kind of. So please subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!